Okay, come on, friend. No, you're close, but that's not outside. I opened the garage for you. Outside. Go outside, buddy. You don't want to live in my garage. Come on. There you go. Down. Descend. Go lower. No, you're going to be stuck in my garage forever, girl. Come on. Out of the garage. Come on. Come on. There you go. No lower. Lower. Close. Close. You just gotta go a little bit lower, sweetheart. I don't want to have to get the gloves and grab you. Come on. Out this way. Come on. Come on, this way. See? See how I just walked out of the garage? You too could walk out of the garage. All you gotta do is walk out. If you try to fly, you're gonna keep hitting your head. There you go. Oh, no, descend. Descend. You need to descend, sweetheart. No, oh, no, that's not it either. Girl. Ah, we're getting the gloves. Come on. I don't want to grab you. You don't want me to grab you. I don't want to get handsy. Nobody wants to get handsy. It's 2018. Nobody's going to do that. I respect your personal space. But the garage, my space. Get the fuck out the garage. Oh, you're so cute when you toddle around. All right. Yep, you got it. All right, descend. Now all you got to do is lower the altitude. Yeah, it's close. No, not really. All right, sweet bird. All right, sweet bird. I'm going to have to get the gloves. We're going to grab you with the fucking hands. Do the whole thing. Did she just leave? I think she might have snuck out through that little crack. Smart bird. All right. Nope, I was wrong. She's right there. God bless America. Seriously? Girl, get out of the garage. Oh, sweetie, I hate watching you bump your head like that. Come on, out of the garage. Come on, out. Get out. All right, gloves. I'm getting the gloves. The gloves are happening. Don't poop on me. All right, fine. 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 We'll get the gloves. We'll grab the bird. I don't want to get handsy, but you're making me get handsy. Oh, good. All right, bird. I didn't want to do this. You're making me do this. Oh, yeah. Bird grabbing gloves. Out. Out with you. Out. I was, but now I'm on Facebook Live because I've got a bird in my garage.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, you want to cameraman this Steve Irwin moment?
Okay, yeah, sure.
I'm gonna totally grab the shit out of this bird.
Are people watching?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
All right, grab me one more glove.
They were Facebook Live before. Wait, you
Yeah,
can't.
now-
Oh, it says I can't turn it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Turn it upright. Keep it upright.
Okay.
The audience
got it.
hates. Hi, bird. Come here. Well, I'm not gonna be able to grab you if you're that. I'm gonna need the ladder.
How did it get in here?
I don't know.
And why won't it like escape?
That's a great question too. I think he's got vertigo. Maybe an inner ear infection.
Oh no.
Yeah, and he really banged its head a couple of times. I think it's a girl, but.
Nick Gavechi wrote, "What a bird brain."
I see what you did
Good
there.
one. Good one.
All right.
Oh my god.
Come back over here, bird. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Yeah, it's just weird that he doesn't like just fly like
you could feel the wind.
like this way.
He's been at this for a while. Like I thought for sure.
You can't like poke him or like gently guide him
Yeah.
or like get a net.
Yeah, let me poke him with a bat.
Okay, Joe Cotton says get a tennis racket to block it towards where you want it to go. I've had success doing that with bats.
I've got a piece of what is that?
Wait, you can bring people on camera on the stream?
You can now.
This is ridiculous.
The future's now.
I've never Facebook streamed before, so
It's pretty fun.
yeah, it's cool.
Come on, bird. Oh, hey, there he is.
Oh.
Alright, here's the deal. You're leaving my damn garage. Yeah, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. That's where I want.
Why does he like the ladder so much?
Probably because he feels like it's safe. It's tight. I get it. I get it. I feel good, safe. Tight,
Dude, maybe this is just your new pet.
Maybe this is the new the house crest.
You know what I'm
It's a
saying?
robin.
Like you guys are gonna.
Mother truck.
Shit.
Mother truck.
What's
is
his
so-
What's his name?
Oh, we got a name.
Or her name? Yeah, something. Dude, he's probably gonna be he or
Facebook Livina.
It'll probably be back. It thinks it can get away with this stuff.
It'll be like, and it's like the best place. I was like taking out the trash, and I just about had a heart attack.
Dude, you have like 10 minutes. If it's after that, this is just gonna live here. You might as well just
Go live
accept.
here. This is its home now.
Just accept it.
It has eminent domain.
It has imminent domain.
I can't stand on that.
Oh come on. Yeah, right.
I don't own a tennis racket, but I do own a piece of siding.
Why don't you? Yeah.
Maybe I can convince it. Does that freak you out? All right, to go down there. Yeah, there you go. That's a great idea.
Huh.
Now you're making progress, little girl. Whoa, gotta watch all that. Yeah,
Let's see if I can like.
no, you're like moments from freedom, girl. See, if you come down here.
Dude, what if you put like some food out front, and then it'll go eat it?
She didn't like that. Something about the stick with nails through it, she doesn't like.
I wonder why.
Oh, you're so close, little girl.
Oh,
You just go through this little hole.
So you think it's a lady?
I think it's a lady. I think it's a female robin, but I'm not honestly sure.
Is it because it's a robin?
It's because it's got that.
Stupid joke. You don't have to answer.
I was actually gonna answer.
You don't have to answer it.
My methodology was done.
Is this audio? Can people actually hear us?
Sure.
People can hear our like
They can
goofy.
hear our banter.
They can hear our goofy banter.
You can hear our goofy banter. Sorry, it's not bitter. All right. Seriously, I'll go get my like super short shorts and Steve Irwin this shit. If you make me. It's fine, Mom. It's fine. All right, the ladder's coming down. You're losing the ladder. The ladder's mine.
Dude, if you fall and break your back, does that mean that like I have to take over?
Yeah. You have to become me.
You're like you just give me a look like you're like Colin.
This is the only way.
This is the only thing that'll give me any happiness in life after
I
this.
have to raise my children.
You have to raise my children. All right.
Take care of the robin.
Yeah, please, if anything.
All right, this is gonna break, but it's gonna get me up here long enough to do this.
Oh, whoa, okay. No, never mind. I was gonna be like, now slowly walk out this way.
Maybe that's the play.
Yeah, dude, it likes the ladder.
The ladder all along.
Use the ladder as a
I'm
ruse.
just a ladder.
Oh, Joe Cotton says I knew it was Colin. Hi, Joe.
Come on.
Shit.
Come on, come on, dude. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Wait, it's a dude?
Dude is gender neutral.
You're using it as like a.
I use it as a verb.
Dude, you know how like we say? Well, you know how we say dude as like an exclamation or like dude.
Sure.
Do you think eventually we're gonna start calling women bro?
You don't already?
do you call it? You say bro to your wife?
I mean, occasionally. I'm not bad.
You walk in, you go, "What's up, bro?"
I mean, I'll just use it like an explanation. Occasionally, I'll say
Bro. Yeah. Well, okay, that's fine, but like, you know what I mean?
on the ladder. Come on, go here.
Dude.
This is your favorite ladder.
Or like calling women guys.
Could you pick like a lighter ladder? Could that be a thing you could do? Little girl.
Shit.
Alright, let's just shoot it. Okay.
Dude, we if this is gonna take forever, we should just start our own podcast.
Yeah.
You want to start?
Sure.
What if this ends up being like a 10-hour long affair and like cops get involved and like somehow like terrorism and all this stuff, and we start recording it.
That's how every good podcast.
Yeah,
starts.
we start recording now, right? And then if we record now, if it's 10 hours, that's like a podcast. Right there. We can release it one every week, and then we're like, but then
I have a thought. And that thought is maybe it likes the ladder enough that if I spook it, it'll land low.
Brian Reynolds says this video is amazing. Joe Cotton says just stand in the driveway and whistle like a bird. I think that's a great idea.
We tried that.
Monica Danger Wiggins says this is highly entertaining.
Thank you. Come on,
Shit. Okay, there we go.
fly out from
Hold on, I'm gonna try. Joe Cotton's like, wait, how does a robin? What sound does it make? Is it like?
No, that's weird.
What's the one?
That's Steve Martin.
I like the one that goes. Yeah.
Look up here.
Yeah. That's a great scene, man. Dude, I like the one that goes. You know that one? It's like.
Might be a robin.
Well, I don't know if it's a robin or not. I just like that one. Joe Cotton says tweet. I think we've been doing it. We've obviously been doing it wrong. To tweet.
Let me get on my Twitter and
Yeah. Look up here.
see if the bird is following.
Dude, I forgot about that scene. That's a really good one.
Look up here.
So are you playing Overwatch?
I was. Not now. No.
Dude,
Oh, great. Maybe if I release the dog.
yeah, put what's Scarlet? Just put Scarlet up there to run around. It'll scare it off.
Do I have a net? I don't fish. I don't have a fish net. Well.
Bro, we don't really need to know about that. You want to wear fishnets? Nobody's around. You know that's fine.
What about throw hammer plan? What about just
The Hammer Brothers.
the Hammer Brothers? They
Yeah, right.
fly birds.
Yeah,
We'll throw hammers at it
yeah.
until we collapse it.
Like,
What other kookaburra schemes can we come up with? I can do some rum out and see if it just like.
do you think, dude? We attract a bunch of rabbits to our backyard with apples, apple cores. They don't. It's weird. They don't like lettuce. I always thought rabbits liked shit like that.
Apples, sure.
They're really into apples, not bananas. They're not into bananas, but they will eat the hell out of the apples. Yeah, it's like I think it's like
We've got too many rabbits. That's like a serious problem.
it's like meth for them. You got too many rabbits? Yeah, dude, they're so. But Yeji likes it because she feels like this is a Disney movie. Because in Korea, it's all apartment. It's blocks of apartment. Like tonight was the first time in her life she's seen fireflies.
What?
Never seen them before. I don't know if they just don't have them in Korea or you don't have them in like the middle of cities. But yeah, there's no fireflies there. She's never seen them.
Oh my god! I had a piece of plywood that's lighter than the one that I had for our D&D game.
But yeah, they don't have a bunch of rabbits running around, so she feels like it's a Disney movie in our backyard.
No, it is.
Yeah, right. Yeah, Lawrence is kind of a Disney. Lawrence would be a good town for like a PG Disney movie.
Okay.
You know, like the live action
Look,
ones.
your ladder. It's your ladder. Take your ladder. Sit on the ladder.
Oh, he's looking for his ladder.
I know. It's right here.
He's like,
Your ladder is right here.
he's like, he must be so confused.
Well, eventually we'll fly him into exhaustion.
You think so?
I would-
Do you think birds get tired?
Oh, sure.
Whoa. Okay, Monica says we don't have fireflies in Colorado. I did not know that. That's interesting.
Cold. Yeah,
But do you think is that a mountain thing? Like, do you think they have them in the high plains?
Hey. Hold
Monica, where did you live in
on.
Colorado?
Hold on. He's exhausted.
Oh, okay. All right, he's exhausted.
We got progress here. Just gonna grab you, and I'm not gonna grab you hard. Okay, I'm gonna do this really gently, really slow. I'm gonna talk to you through the whole thing. You're gonna be
Are you gonna grab him?
Oh yeah.
Holy shit, dude! Oh my god! 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 Oh! Holy shit, dude! He did get tired, or she,
You're okay.
whatever it is.
Say hi to Facebook, and then say bye to Facebook.
Oh.
Okay. See
Okay,
you later.
bye, bird.
I'll set you free.
It's been real,
Okay. Oh look, we're doing it's a Disney.
dude. He's just gonna fly back into your garage.
Oh god damn it.
Obviously, he's gonna fly. You better shut the door first.
Okay. Your wings are fine. I know that hurt. That probably hurt. You're probably really tired.
Live in Fort Collins, 5,000 feet above sea level. That's interesting about fireflies. Okay, here we go.
She is really holding on to me now.
Dude, I know, it's your new pet. I'm telling
She's a
you.
new pet.
Wait, you gotta name her really quick.
We'll call her Ergatha. That's a horrible name.
Why don't you name her
Kava?
Why don't you name her Kava?
Kava.
After Terry's character.
Oh look. Oh, now she's just letting me pet her.
Dude, I can't even see because of the light.
There we go.
She's really... No, I mean, like, I was afraid I was going to bump into her.
No, she's like resting on my finger now.
That's really strange. What a strange, like, bird.
Well, she might have hit her head a few times on the ceiling.
Do you think she...
So now she's just resting on my finger. And
now you
she's
got, like, some other weird bug in there. That's like...
It's not a female woodpecker, although it's got claws in the back.
We should
of
put
the
up
toe.
posters around town, or around being like, have you seen this bird?
Is this your bird? God, she's got like a leopard print on the front.
Oh. She went out clubbing tonight.
She went out clubbing.
She
Totally.
wore the leopard print dress and
And
everything.
then ended up in some guy's garage.
Yeah, man.
Shit
You
got
know
weird.
what? You know what? That's okay, here we go.
Oh, she's like clutching. Like I'm like trying to let her go, and she clutches onto my finger. She really doesn't want to leave.
What, she...
Okay.
It's really... Can you pet her? Will she
Yeah,
let you
yeah,
pet her?
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
I'm very gentle.
This is so bizarre.
Yeah, I think she's probably traumatized. And this probably isn't helping, but she closed her mouth, which is good.
I think... Yeah, I can't tell, like, if she's just in, like, permanent shock.
Probably. But she's outside, so let's take her.
I wonder. That's so weird. Hi.
Hi, bird.
All right,
wonder if I could set
Facebook
her
live,
on the ground.
Facebook live stream. What do you think we should name him or her?
Or her. I'm not.
I think we're kind of leaning toward. I accidentally always say him, but I think, yeah,
It's gender neutral.
It's more well.
It's gender
we-
fluid. It
we-
can be whatever it wants.
We shouldn't assume the bird's gender.
Sure, man. We're not. Oh, you are so pretty.
Yeah, really pretty.
You're a pretty bird. Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to. If I tap, does it focus? Does that?
It's supposed to, but
It's supposed to. Oh. Dude, what a strange creature.
Let's see what happens if we just set you down. Are you comfortable with the ground?
Hold on, get out, or can you get in the light? Like, yeah, thanks. Whoa, shit! I told you! I told you! I told you!
Sweetie, how could you do this to me? It lives with me now. That's the deal. It's gonna live with me forever.
I told you, dude. It's a pet. It's like it's like a spiritual. You have a spiritual affinity with this creature.
Right back into the garage. Are you kidding me, bro? Look, you know me.
This is your animal companion.
We've been friends now for what? 5 minutes? We're good friends. Look,
Oh shit!
it's not gonna hurt you.
Actually, what I'm more afraid of is her like shitting in my face.
Oh, showers.
Showers? No, but I don't want to be shat on for your Facebook live stream.
Yeah, I absolutely want you to get showers.
Yeah, exactly. I'll end up Reddit front page.
No,
Oh shit.
I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm your bud.
Okay,
I'm the
get
one
that.
that's
Okay,
gonna
get
get
that. Get the thing and slowly.
You okay? You okay?
Would it climb onto a tree if you put it next to a branch? I mean, maybe. Do you have a branch?
But I'm really excited that she can fly. Because I thought maybe we heard her wings.
Yeah.
And so honestly now
Because
I'm
you
not-
grabbed her.
Yeah, and now I'm feeling like, oh, this is no big deal. We're just going to grab her again. And this time when she's like, I don't want to leave, we're going to be like, no, get the fuck out of my house. And then it'll be fine.
Oh my god. I mean, how much of a lag is there on here?
20 seconds.
Oh, really? It's not like immediate. Oh shit.
I was hoping she would just jump on my finger.
Dude, she's still looking for the ladder. Ah, you asshole.
She just wants to play hard to get. I would too if there were giant carnivores trying to get me.
Carnivore? Aren't they carnivores? Or do they? What do they eat?
Bugs.
Or do bugs? Are bugs a meat?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Yeah.
There's a,
Like, if you only eat bugs, are you a carnivore?
No, there's a name for that.
Well, you're definitely not a vegetarian. Or herbivore, I guess, is what we're talking about. Shit. Okay.
Well, here's woodpecker because you don't have 2 feet in the back. You've only got 1 claw. So you have to be either a robin.
Okay. Are you gonna by the time you move it over there, it's just gonna have moved away.
The loudest possible way. Okay, this part's gonna suck. If you want me to like forcefully grab you, I will. But you're not gonna like that. I'm trying to do it the nice Disney way, where you land on my finger like this. Please. You gotta stay on the board? If I can do that, we could surf our way out of here. That's cool with me, girl. Stay on the board. No, stay on the board. Oh, you klutz. You are
Maybe
klutz.
you should put her in your house.
That seems like a great idea.
And then, but it's smaller. If you could catch her easier.
Hold on.
Catch her more easily.
The house is smaller than the garage.
Okay. Great spot.
You love the ladder.
All right, here we go. Okay, this is it. Bah, bah, bah. Da, da. No shit.
I saw her going too. And I was
Yeah,
like,
she flinched, and then you flinched, and then Joe Cotton says they're called insectivores. Cause you what?
Oh my goodness gracious. You're not hiding up there. That's why people do dangerous stuff where the kids can't go.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Would you have a gun?
That's beside the point.
Oh my god.
No, I don't know the gun.
I was like, well, I mean, I wouldn't. No judgments, man.
I own several, but they're all at my stepdad's because I got kids.
So you do have guns.
Sure.
Damn. I've never shot a gun.
I'm an American.
Hey, no, it's fair enough. I've never shot one.
Really?
No.
We should go shoot.
I'm definitely down for the experience.
You know, like,
Gun safety and all that stuff.
safety, right?
Sure. Yeah. No, I've never had the opportunity.
That's
So.
where my kid's at right now. Is at Boy Scout camp getting his rifle.
Oh, really?
He is.
Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I was never in Boy Scouts. That's cool though.
Qualified in the first day. Shooting pretty good. They're just working with 22s, but.
Uh huh. Okay, Brian Reynolds says, tap it with the empty tote on your back shelf or shoot it. Okay.
Or shoot it.
All right,
right.
that's one solution.
Right.
Cassandra Brown Bagley?
Yeah, hi, Cassandra.
That bird is not going to let you catch it.
Oh.
Like laughing emoticon. Give it up, Taylor.
We've already caught it once.
Yeah, here. Okay, Monica said he already caught it once.
Unfortunately, it flew back in.
Dude, what did I say?
Yeah, I know.
Classic.
Shut the garage is what you said.
Classic mistake.
Classic. Oh
Classic.
my God.
Okay. All right, we got to get Michael Jordan to just jump up there and.
That was really.
I was joking,
That
but
was really close.
I know it was really close.
I've been playing basketball all day today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, once I got off work, I played 3 pickup games at the rack, and then shot a bunch out by the pool. And my kid was at the play.
Are you good at basketball?
No, I'm horrible, but I enjoy playing.
Yeah, sure.
And it's helped my hand-eye coordination as I've aged.
Uh huh.
Let's see here. All right, we're just gonna use these giant pieces of cardboard to guide you out because they're not gonna let me grab you a second time.
Oh shit.
That's cool. Sit right there. Oh, sit right there. Or not. Or fly. You want to go into the attic? That's where you go to die. I know, because I removed...
Bro, have you seen Hereditary?
Does it seem hereditary?
No. Have you seen that movie?
Oh, no.
Have you ever heard of it?
No.
You seen previews for it or anything? I just saw it today. It was scary.
Did it involve a bird?
No, it involves going up into an attic.
Oh.
Like, kind of like The Grudge. Anyway,
Okay.
Joe Cotton says, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Let Colin shoot the bird.
And then he'll learn.
Puns intended.
Alright. Everyone, be very, very quiet.
Okay, everybody on Facebook live stream, you have to be quiet. If if you make a noise where you're sitting, like it'll screw the whole thing up. Oh shit. Oh shit. All right. This is going to America's Home Videos when you fall.
Oh, come on. You're not going to... Seriously?
Dude, grab the bubble wrap really fast and then like wrap it up with your burrito skills. Ah!
Almost worked.
I was like, grab it and like roll it, pretend you're doing like Chipotle, but you only have one arm.
There's nothing safer than burrito than bubble wrap.
Well, I know you can wrap a damn good burrito. So
that's true. We did work together for a long time.
No, you worked there for a while. I worked there for a little while, and I never got very good. But you were like really. You worked there. You still work there.
That's accurate. That's
but
accurate.
you're not rolling burritos.
Well, every once in a while.
Do you really?
Sure.
You get on the line?
No, they are like stay the fuck away from my line.
Oh.
But I always get a bowl with the.
Why do you do that?
Because otherwise, it's like more food. It feels like it's more. Oh, I'm like giving away Chipotle hacks.
Yeah, Chipotle hacks. Get the burrito.
I can, like save half the meal, Still make a big ass burrito.
Uh-huh.
All right, seriously, Bird, what's going on here? I thought we were friends.
When you go to fix people's computers, like at the Chipotle, wait, do you do that? Do they think that you're just some hack like tech guy and that you don't know anything about how the restaurant works?
They do if I don't fix it quickly.
Really?
They're like, who the hell is this guy? No,
they just assume that you've worked there for a long time.
Everyone pretty much knows me.
Okay.
So, and I talk about how long I've been with the company. Pretty much the first thing I say is, "Hi, I've been here forever." No, no, I don't lead with that. But I end up talking to people about my career a lot because they all want to know how that happened, especially when I'm like, "Oh, you're totally doing this thing wrong," and they're like, "Who the hell are you, IT?" And I'm like, "Well, I was a manager, and I just noticed it out of the corner of my eye. It's not a criticism of your abilities. I just thought maybe you didn't know that you're doing this thing really wrong."
Are you legally allowed to talk about Chipotle's Vietnamese place?
Well,
like on the internet?
I don't know.
Like, is it?
Matter of fact,
is it
we
good?
have a very stringent policy at work.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Or have you had it? You had the
Shop House?
Is that what it's called?
I can say Shop House is delicious, but it's I don't know if it's still under the Chipotle. I don't think it's still in business. I think they closed it.
Oh, it died?
It just isn't here anymore. Which is kind of like dying. Which is a whole lot like
it actually just vanished.
It just vanished.
It just vanished. They chalked it up to probably supernatural causes.
Where did you go? Okay, seriously, I'm gonna have to do this. Hop on the stick. Hop on the stick. You're gonna let me touch you with a stick, and you're not gonna let me grab you with these nice. Oh, come on, Bird. You know it's hot in here. Like I'm not comfortable. I will leave you in my garage to die. I'm sorry, that was a veiled threat. I'm frustrated. I still love you. I don't want to fighting. If you want to see group counseling, I think that's a good idea too. It's fine. Well, now I don't know where you are.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm buying a net.
Dude, use your phone to make, or I can use my phone to make like video game, or not video. I was reading Joe Cotton's thing. Bye, Joe. Thanks for watching. Really quick, Joe. What are you gonna play? I just bought Dark Souls Remastered.
Ooh, good call.
Yeah.
PS4 or PC? Press PS4.
PS4. Just because my PC sucks. So, and I bought the Nathan Drake collection because I never played Uncharted 3.
Okay.
Do you like Uncharted?
I like it. I'm a big fan.
I like Uncharted, but
I never got very far in the series though.
Oh well,
When
yeah.
I say big fan, I mean not a fan enough to buy 4.
Sure. No, I mean they're all right, but I really like Dark Souls because you got me into Demon Souls. You got me into Demon Souls, but I didn't really.
Demon's Souls possessive plural.
Okay, you got me into Demon's Souls, but
The demon's multiple souls.
you got me into that, but I didn't play it that much for whatever reason, and then I played Bloodborne,
Bloodborne.
which became my favorite game of all time.
It's really good.
And I went back and I played Demon Souls, and I really liked it. And then I played Dark Souls for the first time. I never played 2 or 3. Which one is your favorite? The first one?
I like Demon's Souls, but I think it's
More than the Dark Souls one?
Yeah, because
Holy
I think
shit.
I think it's because of the surprise factor. I
Yeah.
think I didn't see that coming.
Sure.
I didn't know what to expect. I was so confused. I was like, this game's impossible.
Dude, when you explained it to me, I thought it sounded really, really cool. And the way you explain it to me is the way I explain it to people now. Whenever like they've never heard of Demon Souls or Dark Souls. And I'm like, it doesn't even tell you where to go. It just kills you.
But you learn.
Yeah, dude.
It teaches you through
It's
death.
so good.
Alright. You gotta go this way, huh?
What? You ever heard of Surviving Mars?
Yes.
That's what Joe's playing. What's Surviving Mars?
Surviving Mars is a PC game, although I think it might be out on multiple platforms as well. But it's it's like one of those Minecrafty Ark style games on Mars. I haven't played it. I've only seen it.
Dude, why don't you put the garage door down so then it can't like go anywhere high up really, and then you can grab it with your hands. Dude, what if you kill it accidentally?
No, I would feel so bad if it was like on.
Like it's not very. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There. Oh shit! He's just gonna be up there. Okay, well whatever. Up there is a much smaller area.
I agree. I feel like I can ninja.
And you could you can like slide the board across to try and like. You just have to land on the ground.
As long as I keep my weight balanced, I can stand on. Are you serious? I'm standing on a flower pot. You can't. You cut a guy a break. It's not an easy thing to stand on. I'm gonna fucking Jordan it. I'm gonna jump up there and grab you. It's not gonna be comfortable. How much time do you got?
Me? I told Yeji, I was like, I'll be back in like 2 minutes. And she's like, she probably thinks we're like playing video games or something. Hold on.
Tell her to tune in.
Yeji, I'm going to be like a little bit. I'm over at Taylor's, but there's a bird in his garage. And he's Facebook live streaming trying to catch the bird. And so I'm doing the camera while he's trying to catch it. You could go on Taylor's Facebook and watch it if you want. Okay. All right. Oh.
So close.
Where is it going? Okay. All right, AG. I love you. I'll be home soon. Okay. Bye, yo.
Well, yeah, that's what I said.
Shit. Dude, he's just toying with us.
He's toying with us.
What's what I'm saying? You gotta get that board down.
This one's really heavy.
Shit.
That's a good spot.
Okay, use that thing to boom.
Capture. I feel like I've been so close several times.
Use this thing to capture it.
I cannot believe it didn't just fly off of my finger
Dude,
when we were outside together.
he's just a level like an A-level troll.
It's just an A-level troll.
Okay, Joe Cotton says
You see how it just A-level?
Joe Cotton says SimCity on Mars is what Surviving Mars is.
There you go.
Is it? That sounds pretty cool. SimCity is a great game. Well, SimCity 2000. I never played the other ones.
I just want to grab you, but I don't want to hurt you.
Oh, you totally could have grabbed him.
But what I was trying to do is just get it to move over to that corner where I've got the nice look.
Why isn't he not? How is he not tired?
Gotta get
Joe, that sounds awesome. SimCity on Mars.
Yeah, birds don't flap their wings that much.
Do people die? Like, are there explosions? Are there aliens? Okay, here we go.
Listen, I'm gonna grab you. It's gonna hurt a little bit. And then my man Colin's gonna grab the door, and you're gonna go home, wherever that is, because this is
Grab the door.
Yeah.
As in let him into your house.
No, the garage door.
Okay, here we go.
Seriously.
Sneaking up. Don't roll a 1.
Perception check was higher than my stealth check.
Yeah. Why don't you just jump up and make him constantly fly around so then he'll get tired? Okay, there we go. This is it. This is the one. No. Oh, you son of a bitch.
I wasn't even moving. You gotta give us a chance. Just give me a chance.
Oh. Oh, dude, you gotta be fast.
No, well, I was thinking I could get away with being slow. But I guess
I'm trying to scare him. How about this? How about I stand over here with a stick?
You want a stick?
Yeah, give me a stick to poke at it, and then.
This is a piece of molding. It's got nails in it.
Oh shit. All right.
So
okay. I'll put this. I'll put this up here.
There you go. And like keep it on that side.
Yeah.
Send it my way.
Okay, this will be the clearer. Shit.
I feel like we're playing Quidditch right now. Oh, wait, it's not even over there.
Ah, hold on.
Send it my way. There you go.
Okay, he knew.
That's not where we want you. Well, you gotta be getting tired though. That's a lot of flying.
Yeah, come on.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Hold on. It's motion activated.
Okay.
Ow, a toe!
Shit.
Alright, there it is. That was enough motion.
Hell yeah. He
Finally, it was
says,
enough
you
motion.
can lose your colony to meteors. I heard aliens can attack or something. I haven't made that far. If you don't provide enough variety and food, exercise, entertainment, people will get lethargic and even kill themselves. Dark shit. It just sounds like Earth. Ooh. But no, that does sound cool for real. Ah! Joe said, I said I was leaving, but this is too riveting. Well, man, who can turn down, like, two idiots trying to catch a bird combined with video game talk?
Honestly, this should be...
You can't be... It's a podcast! I'm telling you, if we recorded this, we're obviously going to be here for another 8 hours. We should have been recording... Well, I guess we can take the audio from this and edit it. We can put in dramatic music.
I really don't want to hurt you, girl. You're starting to piss me off. Yeah. There with the...
What?
Yeah.
It'll let me touch it.
She's getting tired.
That's weird. Okay, all right. Now here, this is the most irritating part. Come on. Let's get at it.
There we go. All right. Seriously. I wanted to fucking eat you. We would have.
No.
Oh, seriously.
Get a stick. You get a stick for when the part where it's hard until it lands where you want it to.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Dude, well, I guess it knows. It knows that it has to be high.
That's a really good spot, actually.
That's a good spot?
Yeah, I didn't like it because of all the obstacles, but
Yeah.
now I'm starting to think if I jump in front of it, it doesn't really have much choice but to fly into that bucket.
Yeah, that sounds cool. I'm also playing Fallout 4. Oh, nice. Okay, good call. Did you get him?
Well, I ain't going anywhere now.
Oh no.
No, shit. That's what we want.
Okay, now put like some blankets on the side.
Yeah.
Or you know what I mean? Or like a board. Damn.
You're gonna get really tired doing that.
Pissed. Dude, put that grill in front. Right there. Put this grill in front. Okay, well, you can do that too. I was gonna say, put the grill in front right there.
I know that's big enough, isn't it?
Yeah, sure. There you go. Try to get out of that. Ooh. Ooh. Damn.
It's not tempter, huh? Alright.
You got her?
Oh, did you see how I just stopped that thing from crushing your head? I am
Yeah.
a friend. I'm as good a friend as you were going to find.
Isn't that funny that it has a brain the size of a peanut?
Alright. I'm going to say goodbye a second time to the bird.
Goodbye,
This
bird.
time it's really going to leave.
Goodbye, bird.
Bye, bird. I miss you. Did Facebook name it? Anyone give it a name?
No, nobody named it. Too bad. Okay, that was smart. Are you going to give him a tour of the house?
Yes, tour of the house.
There we
See what
go.
he's missing out on.
The bird is going to get free, and Barn Owl is going to swoop down and eat it. Yeah, it's true. Circle of life, unfortunately.
Right, seriously, got my finger. Got my finger. Come on, not this again. You want to just live up here? You want to just be our friend and live in the tree?
Will it?
No?
Will it?
Seriously, can you leave my finger?
You want me to? Okay, hold on. I'm going to poke it.
No, we're just going to let it go.
Just go like this.
There he goes. Up into the tree. Ta-da! Yes,
Wow,
dude.
he's up there. Nice.
Crisp high five.
Powerful.
See you, Facebook. Thank you, cameraman Colin.
He just was back there.
What? Back into the house? God bless America. Oh well, we'll see you guys next time. We have to get the bird out in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, right.
Hardcore.
That's awesome.
Nice job, dude.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, let's get your stuff.
Okay. Yeah, I came over to help you. No, that's fine. Don't worry.
That was awesome.
That was really
I was,
fun.
I was kind of expecting it to fly in.
That's what I'm saying.
Right as we opened the door.
Scarlet, I don't want to hear it.